Oh, ready? Oh, hi. Hey, you guys. Welcome back to my home, our city. We are in the city of, or the ville of Verdun at l'Église Metro, and we're about to do the construction and the install. You can see this is a labor of love. We have covered ourselves with every bag we possibly could. Itzel is a mother of two. She is the manager of a small apartment complex. She's just moved into this space about 2 weeks ago. We're lucky enough to redesign her space. So we're starting with the bedroom, and fingers crossed, she's gonna love it, of course, but fingers crossed, we continue to work together, finishing her space, giving it a cohesive look. So I've got my favorite painting t-shirt, because things get real around here, okay? So let's go meet her, yeah? Real celebrity here with these and these. Yeah. So, come on over. Come. Here we are. Here we are in Itzel's amazing bedroom. Super tiny. What is this room, like 10 by 10 maybe? Maybe even, yeah, what's a door? It's gotta be 10 by 10. We're super excited because she has already installed the shelves on this side, which, as you can see, are set perfect for desk height, so she can do a little work, and she can also watch her computer screen from her bed. We have an exciting head feature coming soon. Now, of course, we have absolutely no space at all, so you'll be excited to see what we do here in terms of DIY headboards, functional and practical. One major problem of this space, I think you may agree, is storage here. So we've got a little bit of an issue. I actually like that she's taken off the door because it saves space for opening that door. She needs as much square footage as she can possibly utilize. And under this bed, look at all this real estate. So perfect. So she's got some things started already, but we're gonna give her some other storage solutions so that she feels like a queen. The queen that she is in this bedroom. You may be frightened when I open the can of paint, but I guarantee you that once the room is complete, you will fall in love with it. Do you trust me? If not, you have a guarantee that I'll come back and paint the ceiling white. If you hate it,
I don't want it white.
I know. Well, if you hate it after, that's true. That's true. Almost the whole design is based on this ceiling. So,
totally.
Yeah. But you have my 100% guarantee that if you don't love it when the room is together, then I will come back and paint it myself.
Okay.
We got that on tape, right?
Oh! And I mentioned not too girly.
Not too girly? Not too girly? No, I remember what you said. I don't think it's girly as much as it's childlike.
Like bubblegum?
Not bubblegum.
Okay, it's
look at that.
grayish.
It's almost the color of her shirt. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Do you love it? Not yet.
Not yet.
She doesn't love it yet, but oh my gosh, you will. What's not to love, really?
Is it gonna be enough? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's this one. Okay, so
how do I look?
gorgeous, darling, just gorgeous.
Hey guys, we are in Itzel's room for the final install, and I'm here with a huge piece of foam because this is part of the headboard installation. So we're going to do a little DIY right now, and then we're going to zhuzh this room and make it presentable for Itzel in probably about 40 minutes real time. For this DIY, we're going to need an X-Acto knife, we're going to need a straight edge, we're going to need a marker, we're going to need the foam, and we're going to need the cushion covers and Velcro to attach to the wall. Do you want a close-up of this? These are the cushion covers from a sofa. They are reused, and I had a tailor add Velcro stitching to the back. We're going to add the second part of the Velcro and staple it to the back wall above her head, and these will be her stationary headboard. So I've marked our foam at a 2-foot square. The dimensions, actually it's not square, the dimensions of the width of the first cushion. And now with the straight edge and the X-Acto knife, we're going to cut a straight line. That was like butter. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Like butter. Oh no, I spoke too soon. Totally too soon. This is the tricky part. Uh-oh. That doesn't look big enough, does it? Oh, God. I think I should make it a little bit bigger. I think it has to be bigger. Does that measure twice, cut once? Blooper roll. Okay. Actually, this could work out perfectly. Now they'll be so tight. No choice, no matter. It's like a comedy of errors. This is the money shot, okay? Now these are gonna fit. These are gonna be perfect. So I've measured them to be about 1.5 inches bigger than they should be in order for them to be super taut. So they hold the cushion really firmly and it will stick to the wall without an issue. Take two. You get to wrestle with this, so if you don't have a lover and you need you need to get your frustrations out, you need to hug something hard, well, you know what? This is the perfect DIY for you. Hugging is essential to all relationships, and it should be I mean, this is a bedroom after all, so this headboard should be conducive to a lot of good lovemaking after this. That's the plan anyway. Not with me, I just mean in general like this. Not with the client, oh God. Yes! Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, there should be a scream from the crowd, shouldn't there? Yeah, that is the sound of success. Ta-da! Number one. Yeah, Number 2. Take 2. We're not even going to show this one because... Oh, sweet Jesus. We'll do that. Okay, yes. We are going to mark with a marker the exact positioning of the Velcro from the back of the cushion to the corresponding place on the wall, and then we're going to staple the opposite side of the Velcro to the wall, and our headboard will be complete. Guys, little trick of the trade. When making your bed, if your bed sheets are different on either side, you want to make sure you reverse it so that when you fold your sheet backwards, it looks like it's finished.
He told me he would.
Here I'm standing in the corner of Itzel's finished bedroom. You can see that her feature wall has come to life with what this project specifies and requires, which is a Montreal featured artist. This particular print is from an amazing photographer named Laura Arwin Berg, and you'll see the link below to her profile and her website. Here is a series of collections from the client, as well as, of course, living plants. You can see that the client is a very beautiful artist in her own right, and she's traveled the world, so we've tried to show her personality off the best in here. Now, this is a very small space, so what we've done to maximize the space is actually put up 3 shelves so that she can access her things, she can watch her computer from her bed, and that's why we created the headboard feature. So if we turn in this direction, now we're on the client's bed, which is the most important part of this bedroom, obviously, for sleeping and relaxation, and the client suggested that this be a sanctuary, and I think we've created that by mixing pattern and texture very well in a white box. So of course we brought color to the ceiling with a beautiful chandelier, but we've brought color and pattern here to the bed. We have dark gray, we have like dark brown, we have a mixed kind of burgundy, raspberry, and taupe. We have kind of a dark plum, and of course you'll see these repeated in the curtains. What we've done, like in all other projects, is taken the curtains directly to the ceiling and all the way to the floor. This gives height to these very short ceilings, which we are in an 8-foot apartment and probably the smallest bedroom I've ever been in, which is probably 10 by 10 square. Here we've used rice paper. It allows light in this room. And of course on the other side we have put a mirror reflecting the light in the window just to give her a place to change and place to get dressed. Now that was super fun. Some of the takeaways you should take from this particular redesign: 1, don't forget to use your ceiling as a decorative element. So don't be afraid to put that color, or a strong color for that matter, on the ceiling. 2, multiple patterns and textures. On the bed we used 7 different colors and textures all at one time. 3, don't forget to use things in an unusual way. So for example, those sofa cushions used as a headboard. So under the bed we've used a desk drawer, and turned it into a sliding storage unit for her extra things. How awesome is that? When you're in limited space, you've got to think outside the box. 4, lighting. Lighting is important in every redesign. Putting a handkerchief over top of that light to the left of the bed not only adds ambiance, it also gives another pattern to the overall design of that room. 4? Is that what I'm at? You pause that for just a second. If you have a room that you want redesigned, or you're an artist who wants to be featured in this particular project, feel free to reach me at mr.robert.bates on Instagram. Share, like, and subscribe below. Until next time, I'm Robert from My Home Art City.